Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today we are putting two blow dryers head to head to see which one will be the champ. First, of course, we are starting with the Dyson. This is my baby. She's a little crusty, a little dusty. She's been well loved. She serves her purpose. She gets my hair dried very quickly, but we have another contender in town. This is the TYMO AirHype high-speed hair dryer. I'm gonna diffuse one side of my hair with the TYMO, and I'm gonna do the other side with the Dyson. If you wanna see which blow dryer is gonna come out the winner, then definitely stay tuned. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down there. Without further ado, let's jump on in to this video.
So let's go ahead and first take a look at the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. I've had mine for a few years, and this is what she looks like. She's a little busted up. She's a little dusty and crusty, but she is still hanging in there. The Dyson actually has 5 styling attachments, but I only ever use the one, which is the diffuser. I love the diffuser, and this just really does a great job on my hair. It does have intelligent heat control, and it's powered by a digital V9 motor. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the TYMO AirHype high-speed hair dryer. I'm just going to unbox this on camera for you guys. This was my first time opening it. It does come with a beautiful little travel pouch with a closure. Comes with your instructions. It comes with a diffuser. Comes with the detangling comb attachment and the air directional attachment. I forget what you call that. And then of course your blow dryer. This is what it looks like. It's very sleek in design. This blow dryer was designed for curly hair.
I definitely already have some thoughts about the design of this. I love how sleek this is. It is definitely a little bit smaller than the Dyson. I feel like the handle part is just a little easier to hold than the Dyson. This one's just a little bit thicker. Weight-wise, feel like this one is just a little bit lighter, but it's very hard to tell. I do feel like this one is a little more travel-friendly just because of the size difference. And as you can tell, this one is quite a bit shorter. I definitely feel like I really love the look and the design of this one. It just seems a little more sleek. This is the only attachment that I truly care about because I don't really ever blow out my hair, very, very rarely. So the other attachments, I don't really worry about. But this one, I want to do a little comparison because I use my diffuser all the time. This is the Dyson diffuser. And this is the AirHype TYMO diffuser. And they look very, very similar, right about the same exact size. So it's the same size. But what I like about the TYMO over the Dyson right out the gate is, if you can tell, the TYMO this one has taller prongs right here. So the ones in the center are a little shorter and the ones on the outer part are a little bit taller. And I really like that because you can kind of get in there and you're not going to get too close to the head to where you're going to, burn your scalp or anything. So I do like that this one's got those taller prongs in there. Will they perform the same? We'll find out. To start off, I am going to start with my Dyson. I'm going to start with the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. And then I'm going to go in with the Curlsmith Full Body Thickening Lotion. And then I'm going to go in with the Curlsmith Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. I'm going to put these products on both sides of my hair. The only difference is on this side where I'm going to use the TYMO, I am going to go in with the TYMO Smoothing and Nourishing Hair Oil. Let me go ahead and add my products to this side and I'll be right back. Okay, I had to re-wet this side of my hair because my hair was getting very, very dry. The Restore Perfecting Spray, add a little bit of that. Gonna go in with the thickening lotion. We're gonna add that. And then last but not least, I'm going in with the Hydrostyle Flexi Jelly. Gonna rake that in. And I never ever split my hair down the middle, so this is probably gonna look a little crazy on me. Okay, squeezing out any excess. And then it's gonna be time to diffuse. Here is what the hair looks like before.
Starting off, I am putting the Dyson on the lowest air setting, and I'm putting it on the second heat level, and we're just going to start the diffusing process. The Dyson Supersonic hair dryer is actually engineered to protect your hair from extreme heat damage. It has fast drying and controlled styling to increase smoothness by 75%. It increases shine by up to 132% and decreases frizz and flyaways by up to 61%. It does have a hefty price tag at $479 is what it is. It has 3 speed settings. It has 4 heat settings. It has a cold shot button. And all of the attachments are magnetic, which I love.
So far, we are 8 minutes in, and this is why I love the Dyson, because it does dry my hair so fast. Now it is time for the TYMO AirHype on this side. I'm going to add my products and we're going to get right into it. A little Restore Perfector spray. Now going in with the thickening lotion, the Hydrostyle Flexi Jelly, the Smoothing and Nourishing Hair Oil from TYMO. So I'm going to use just a pump of that on this side and see if that adds any difference. I'll definitely use that at the end all over to add some shine, because that's what I always do with my oils. You guys know the drill. You've seen me do this a million times. And then we're going to get into the diffusing. Okay, going in with the TYMO, and this one tells you the temperature on the back, lowest air, just like the Dyson. We're going to do the second heat.
Let's talk about the TYMO AirHype. This has 4 temperature settings. It has 3 speed settings. It has low noise, and it is a compact dryer, so it weighs less than a pound, which is crazy. It has 50 million negative ions to help reduce frizz and build volume. It has an HD LCD display, and it has a 1-year warranty, which we always love. And it does come with the diffuser, a comb attachment, a styling concentrator, and the travel pouch. All the attachments are magnetic, and the diffuser has adjustable prongs.
One thing's for certain, I don't care what blow dryer you use. If you diffuse like I do with your head flipped over, your back will still be broken no matter what. We are officially dry on this side, and guess what? It literally took the same amount of time. This was exactly 8 minutes. The Dyson was exactly 8 minutes. It didn't take longer, but it didn't take shorter. But I still think 8 minutes is a really good amount of time to dry this hair. Now that my hair is completely dry, I am going to go in with a little more of the TYMO Smoothing and Nourishing Hair Oil. I always go in at the end of my styling routine and just scrunch in an oil just to break any cast that I might have and to add a little extra shine. And we are going to go ahead and start to shake out the roots and shake, shake, shake. I'll be right back. I told you guys, my hair doesn't do good with the middle part, so it's gonna do its own thing here. Here is the finished product. I mean, I think my hair looks amazing. I didn't think that this blow dryer was gonna like change the shape of my curls or anything like that. It was more about how this performed while drying my hair. And I have to say, I am very, very impressed. For me, the whole reason that I invested in the Dyson was because of the amount of time that I was spending drying my hair, diffusing my hair, because I do diffuse every single time I wash my hair. For any other blow dryer to really compare, it has to dry my hair in the same amount or less time than the Dyson. And this came through, you guys. Like, this definitely did the job. It did the job, and it did it quick. I actually love this diffuser. I think I prefer this definitely over the Dyson. There's something about the longer claws on this that just kind of scoops up. It almost feels like more of your hair. I actually feel like I have more volume on this side. I wonder why that is. But for some reason, this is looking like it's got a lot more volume. I don't know if that's from the blow dryer or if that's from a little extra oil that I put in. After putting these two head to head, I love my Dyson, but she's expensive. Not a lot of people have $500 to invest in a blow dryer. I understand that. This is a fraction of the cost of the Dyson, and it got the job done. It has a cool shot. I love the diffuser. It's still a magnetic closure. I still love my Dyson, but this one is definitely comparable at a smaller price point. I'm definitely going to be recommending to people that want the same type of results that you get from the Dyson. I definitely love the results I got, you know, with both sides, but the TYMO is cheaper. I'm going to leave everything linked in the description box for this blow dryer. Let me know what your thoughts are on either one of these dryers, and I hope you found this helpful. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.